Good morning, KTM crew, fans, customers, everybody. Today, I got Charlie Repairs Godzilla. Oh man, Godzilla's jaw came off. As you see, just moved. It's going to drop off in a second. Watch this. So, I gotta put this back in there.
So much
Godzilla looking good again. Those beautiful eyes.
You have way more fun when you're hanging out with other people. So how about you get your toy train or something back? Bring you some of that sweet trap door. Hi. So that.
You can't tell me there's no more handsome monster than Godzilla. Look at that thing. Look at all the joys on the Alright, I'm back. Let's see if we can put this back in there. Wanna try to use some epoxy. See if this works. Kevin the others wants to put back on her. I'll do my best. Let's see how it goes. See you later. Okay guys, it's day 2. Let's see how it worked out. Wow. It's on everybody. Turned out very nice. And I'll do some touch-up paint on it. Get all those black books. I'm using the acrylic paint, dark green. Watch, this stuff is very, very dangerous. Okay, let's get going. Let's see how this works out. See if I come back. Alright guys, we're done. It's good. This little part right here, the owner's not gonna worry about that. He's happy it's put back together. It's painted. It's good. Not bad. Not bad at all. A bit better, but first time doing it. Great outcome. Come see KTM Pop Culture Repairs.